Cops in Florida want to know if you recognize this man who left his own special formula at a local drugstore. Watch the man in the blue shirt walking into a Sanford, Florida Walgreens store around 10:30 p.m. last Thursday. He goes directly for the aisle where the cough drops are kept, looks around, then unzips his pants and urinates on about 110 packages of cough drops. He then casually walks back to the pharmacy and attempts to fill a prescription, but doesn't have the proper documents. He then promptly leaves the store. But police say this video is keeping them hot on his trail. Anyone with information is asked to call the Sanford, Florida Police Department.